morning everyone, welcome back to another episode. So saying hello from Utah, Moab. We found a campsite last night, very busy. Actually, if we were even like an hour late, I'm pretty sure it would have been hard for us to find a site that was, or actually like really a decent site. But luckily we were able to find a pretty cool site next to the Colorado River. It is almost the weekend and we don't want to risk trying to find a different site. I'm assuming that this is a very busy place. I thought it wouldn't be just because it is a little cooler. Yesterday the temperature dropped to like low 30s. Doing and I slept very well, you know, thank you to kerosene heater.
There's no water.
Water?
안무이 너무 좋다.
진짜 맛있다. 떠줄까 국물 좀? 밥을 언제 넣고 갈까?
Oh my god, God. I went straight.
좀 남았어. 네가 도와줘야 돼.
Uh-oh.
This is our home for tonight. This side has my little, right here, that's our vanity. And then our 2 sleeping bags right there. So that's our bedroom. And this little corner right here is Ame's sleeping area. So if you look over here, this is like a little living room area if you want to eat inside or just chill or just to, I don't know, change. And then all of our duffel bags. And I have my ice bag right there, or ice box right there. I put bungee rope over here, my paper towel and regular towel, and any clothes like my pajama, I'm gonna hang it there. I might install another one on this side, but I don't know if that's gonna feel too crowded or stuffy in here. This corner right here is technically a kitchen. I have to figure out like a better way to set it up, I guess. But yeah. Guys, we just finished our really long hike. It's intense. I don't know if people find that easy, they must be.
Well, also we did have Ame.
Yeah, but Ame did really well. I was kind of scared here and there, but we came back safely. We almost made it to the end, but we kind of saw the end from like a little far away. But we're like, eh.
I don't think Ame could. It's like huge step to get up there.
Yeah, it was. I feel like Ame was just already done, and we had to go back. So we made the decision to head back, and we're here at McDonald's because I'm so hungry and I am not about to cook. So enough for you.
Yay.
I got deluxe crispy chicken. I can't do this long ones anymore. Maybe if it was more flat, I could do the distance. But so many rocks, so many rivers to cross.
And having Ame, he goes crazy over water, so.
Yeah. How tired he is.
I'm so proud of Ame.
I'm proud of us. Oh, it's fine. When is the last time you walked 5 miles?
Walk?
Never.
Yeah.
Well, I guess not never, but it's been a while.
Like hiking wise?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I want to find a hiking place where there's no water and no like too many like steep areas. But I think it's more attractive because of those things. The trail, it was very popular. Parking lot was almost full, and I think people come because of all the obstacles. We saw many dogs.
But they were right. They said he's gonna get dirty.
Yeah, all the dogs were dirty. Our shoes, socks, my pants are trashed.
I'll give my shirt to Ame so we could wipe him.
So there were many little river areas to cross. Just so that Ame doesn't slip or anything, I went in the water with him. It's you either walk in water or sand. That's why my shoes and everything was just gotta wash it.
Well, we're not advanced hikers.
So I am not guilty eating this right now.
Good. If this trail is the first thing that we hit, like let's say we never stopped anywhere, we would have been like, holy shit, every time.
You know, we hiked this morning too.
We did, oh yeah, we did twice.
Yeah, that's why he's gonna pass out. For a period of
It's
time
already
too.
done. There's chicken nugget. It's not even moving.
Yeah. Tomorrow we're gonna do like a really, really chill day. Supposed to be very sunny and nice tomorrow. And all the RVs at our campsite left. So after we came back from our first hike, they were gone. So we're like, oh, cool. And they weren't like rude neighbors or anything, but they had their generators on. They were drinking till really late. They were being really loud, which is normal, but to some people it's not as relaxing, you know? So when we came back, I think there one new camper. She was alone with her dog, and she has a really, really cute tent. But we have to see. When we go back now, we might have other neighbors. I really like seeing other people's gear, like tent, their Jeep, RVs.
Right?
Very intense here. Everyone's serious
They're
about
hardcore.
this. Yeah. Everyone's serious. Yeah, I love it. We gotta step up our game.
They don't joke around here.
No.
I love their gears.
Oh my god, I've been craving hamburger. And no sandwich, whatever, same thing. Pretty good, right?
That chicken's juicy.
Do you like this golden arch or the other arch? I hate you. If he made that show, I'm very happy. The weather is great.
The weather's amazing.
It's not hot. It's more cold and warm, but the sun is just.
We hiked twice.
I'm not gonna do anything tomorrow.
I honestly, like, again, 100% believe that by traveling, you get to see so many different things that you've never seen. And
Yeah, you meet different people. You meet similar people too. 저 강아지 있다. Oh my god, he's so cute.
oh my. Oh my. Is that husky?
I think so.
So cute.
He's so cute. 오, 대박. Oh, almost. Oh. 자리 보고 있으나. 이거 언제 하는 거라고?
다 탄 다음에 when it's black.
아, the wood?
근데 이게 너무 드라이해가지고 미쳤나봐요.
딱 하나 있다. 딱 하나 이거. 아, 소리가